G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, south of Opalton, main side area. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. Help show the colours. The white that you're seeing there sometimes is a reflection of the lights. We'll just go a bit closer. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit. This piece, whether the colour goes under there a bit more or not, it's a bit hard to tell. But nice enough stone there. Cut and polish. The parent material is quite hard, so it will polish up. The back of the stone will polish quite nicely. You can see there it's fairly flat, so get a stone and another little stone out of the end here perhaps. The other piece is a bit more difficult. Perhaps grind this down to get to the more solid colour. You can see the colour. So up this end is more matrix sort of pattern material. But, I think that should cut down a fair bit more and end up with a cleaner stone. The parent material is quite hard, so you get a nice polish on the back. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.